Before taking any trade, I always mark the highest time frame bias. Let me show you today's setup. Basically, this is the AUD NZD setup, and my trade in short is running. And now we will discuss the logic behind it, why I take this trade, and what was the logic behind it. So basically, I start with the 4-hour time frame analysis to identify the overall market bias. These are my bias. Market already has been taken these bias. Okay, and now I just mark another bias of 4 hours. These are the bias of 4 hours. But when I switch into the lower time frame, I notice one thing. These are 30-minute buy frame bias. Okay, these are 30-minute bias. So these are completed, and now what will do market? Market will target these bias of 30 minutes. How I find it? I just find it using fractal. Okay, this is the area I get, and now market is targeting this area. And after that, how I enter into this trade? This is simple. I just mark my MMS, and after that I again find my area. Where is liquidity? As you can see, I always mark. As you can see, I always mark liquidity. This is another word of bias, but basically it is a liquidity. When you are able to find liquidity easily, you can trade in every condition. Like you can also trade newses. Okay, so well, this is my area. I just enter from this area, and now my trade is running, and I will also include the results of this trade in the starting of my video. Thank you for watching this video. This is my today's setup. So for more setups, subscribe my channel and like my video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.